So this January school holidays, we decided to break away for a few days and get the kids out camping. And what better place to head to than one of our favorite camping spots, Jamaka Organic Farm.
I'm out over here with Pop-Up and we are at Jamaka. This place is amazing.
Jamaka lies about 3 hours outside of Cape Town and takes you through some of the Western Cape's most beautiful landscapes. You get to see the farming land, some beautiful mountain passes, and on the way you pass through some of the most unique small little towns in South Africa. Jamaka lies in the heart of the Cederberg Mountains, and they don't just offer over 90 campsites, they also offer 10 fully equipped self-catering cottages, all on the banks of the Rondegat River, complemented by breathtaking views, amazing hiking trails, and freshwater rock pools all around the campsite. No matter where you walk in Jamaka, you always find water. People often think twice about going to the Cederberg in summer because it does get sometimes really hot, sometimes 40 degrees plus. But Jamaka makes you feel like it's this oasis in the middle of nowhere, with the water everywhere, the zip lining, the jumping off of gorges, and the constant coolness and shade of Jamaka just makes it all so much more enjoyable. Jamaka offers much more than just camping. You've got about 5 hiking trails. There's, like I've mentioned, swimming everywhere, zip lining, donkey cart rides. There's 2 cafes now. You've also got volleyball, and then you've got the bar. And then there's also the sports venue, which is basically a sports tavern / bar where you can go to and just catch up on any latest sports match, whether it's the rugby, the cricket, the soccer, whatever.
To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out.
Opened up the Jamaka Zipline Cafe, which is doing pizzas and drinks and everything for the kids. I think it's burgers also. So they're really upgrading this place. They've got this idea of like 10 campsites every year that they upgrade. So if you look at now, you've got ablutions, you've got toilets, you've got a bar. So everything's always been upgraded. And that's one of the reasons why we love Jamaka, because everything always changes. It's always better. There's always more campsites. We look at the bar area, they've added like a sports arena area where you can watch your matches, you can see when there's live games. Then they've added more ablutions, more wash areas, more parking bays. So like before, when you used to come here, you'll see all the vehicles are parking here. You used to park on the lawn right by the zipline. Now you don't have to anymore. We've actually got designated shaded parking. So this is another reason why we always choose to come back to Jamaka.
One of the things that's amazing about Jamaka, it's such a well-priced campsite. It's never been expensive, it's never been over the top. You can go with your whole family, a couple of friends, a lot of friends, and it's always just affordable for everybody to have an amazing weekend. Even the cottages are extremely affordable.
You're so good at dragging yourself down. Why? Well, there ain't much time left to figure things out. Deep underneath all the laser There's a heart gone out of rhythm in despair. Held underwater, fine for air. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors.
But there's one thing that I really love about Jamaka. Jamaka is so well laid out that each and everybody gets their own little nook, little canny, hidden spot. So no matter how fully booked Jamaka is, it never makes you feel as if the place is completely full of people. You're always tucked away, and you walk out of your campsite and you say, oh, there's quite a lot of people, but you never feel like you're at a busy, hustle, bustle campsite. And the fact that you can wake up in the morning, walk a few meters to your own private little rock pool, sit there, have your coffee, it's just absolute pure bliss. It often makes me feel as if I'm in the middle of absolutely nowhere. Some of the things I like about Jamaka is that, every time I come here, I've noticed that they're upgrading the place. You always see new evolutions, clean evolutions, or you see they're adding more campsites. Now, like they've built the zipline bar that wasn't there before. But you always see how they're changing it. When you cross the rivers, originally it was concrete, but that was always being washed away by the floods. Now I've got these interesting concrete poles, basically, over the rivers. And when you drive over them, they make this amazing clunking sound with the water running underneath of them.
Big splash. Go! Wow, Dad! Okay, 3, 2, 1. Just like that, our trip has come to an end. We are loaded up, trailers on over there, and we're saying goodbye to Jamaka.
Okay. We see you. We miss you. We love you. We love you. So cute. The one with the bee of you. The others just stuck.
The others just know to swim down. They don't know to climb yet. Oh, look at this little one. Oh, it's little. It's a little tadpole.
Maybe Flip is up some down.
Snooky, snooky.
Or Flip is up and down. That's one. No, it's so cute. Yeah, they're flying.
There's one with the legs.
Yeah. I found him.